How to share permanent location on your iPhone or home address or any other address. Open your Google Maps, then press on your search bar. Then I already set my home. If you don't set, then press on more option, then you can see the new list. You can add your location here. So go back, explore, and search again. Now press on my location, then you can see your current location to your permanent location or your home location, anything. Then press and hold, then you can see the this icon. Press on this icon, then press on copy link. Now you have to go to your contact number. For example, I want to share my location with message option, or you can send it at WhatsApp as well. If you press on WhatsApp, then it will be loading, and just paste this location, then it will be shared to your other person as a permanent address. That's it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.